Hey guys, Sam is here from Mazda. Thanks for tuning in for Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I would like to show you how you're gonna enter the car manually if the key battery acts funny. Alright guys, I want to show you here the key here. If the battery acts low, I'll show you how to access to the manual key. This black guy here, we flick it and then we slide that side as a door. You will get the key, voila. And then you stick it right into here and you lock or unlock your car. After we unlock the car, take the key out, put it back in, and just make sure when you lock it back, it clicks. And after you get in the car, you take the key fob as close as you can to the start push button, and then you push to start. It will start for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at Mazda.